Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unboxing and preparing the BlackShark V2 Pro. Open the case and verify the dongle and USB-C cable are present. Plug the USB-C cable into the headset and a powered USB port. Charge for about 30 minutes to ensure battery calibration. While charging, inspect the dongle for debris and locate an unobstructed USB port on your PC or console. Once done, switch off Bluetooth on nearby devices to minimize radio interference, and get ready to pair the wireless dongle. Now plug the wireless dongle into a rear USB port for the cleanest signal. The headset should enter pairing mode automatically when powered on. If your PC requires drivers, download Razer Synapse and sign in to access firmware updates. This step fixes audio latency and mic behavior. Use the Synapse app to check battery, flash firmware, and choose an EQ profile. Make sure to test the mic monitoring and adjust side tone so you can hear yourself without over-amplifying background noise. Finish by running practical tests. Play audio, enable 7. One surround if desired, and record your voice to confirm clear mic pickup. Adjust the headband and ear cup angle to achieve a tight seal. This improves bass response and passive noise isolation. If audio drops or mic output is low, first repair the dongle, then check for Synapse updates and try another USB port, preferably USB 2. 0 rear. One key troubleshooting tip. If you hear static, move the dongle away from Wi-Fi routers and metal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.